Imagine an army of advanced, AI-powered robots built with cutting-edge technology, capable of replacing human soldiers on the battlefield. Now, imagine a $100 billion facility dedicated to creating these robotic warriors. The United States has just taken a massive leap in military technology with a brand new high-tech military robot factory, and China is absolutely stunned. Is this the future of warfare? And what does this mean for global power dynamics? Stay tuned as we dive deep into this game-changing development. The global arms race has officially entered a new era. With rising tensions between world superpowers, the US military has just unveiled a groundbreaking $100 billion facility designed to mass-produce autonomous combat robots. This development has sent shockwaves across the globe, particularly in China, which has been heavily investing in military AI. But why is this factory such a big deal? How does it work? And what does it mean for the future of military warfare? Let's break it all down. The rise of autonomous warfare. Warfare has evolved dramatically over the years, moving from traditional combat to drone strikes and cyber warfare. Now we are stepping into a new era: autonomous battlefield robotics. The US has been making significant progress in AI-powered military robotics for years, developing projects like the Ghost Robotics Vision 60, Boston Dynamics Atlas, and DARPA's advanced AI research. These innovations have already demonstrated their potential in modern warfare. Meanwhile, China has also been investing in military AI, but this new US facility represents a massive leap forward that has left Beijing on high alert. Inside the $100 billion robot factory, this enormous high-security facility is one of the largest military robotics production plants in the world. Located in a classified region, it boasts state-of-the-art AI research labs, robotic assembly lines, and next-generation testing environments designed to push robotic combat units to their limits. The goal is to ensure that these robots can operate in extreme combat conditions without failure. The factory is expected to produce thousands of autonomous military units, including drone swarms, robotic infantry, and AI-driven tactical vehicles, providing the US military with unprecedented technological superiority. The types of military robots being developed. The facility is focusing on multiple categories of robotic warfare, each designed for specialized military roles. Autonomous drones. These AI-powered drones will be capable of real-time surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strikes against enemy targets with minimal human intervention. Robotic infantry units. Humanoid robots designed to replace soldiers in high-risk combat zones, reducing casualties and improving operational efficiency. AI-powered tanks and vehicles. Fully autonomous, heavily armed vehicles capable of self-driving and engaging in tactical warfare, offering enhanced battlefield mobility and firepower. Swarm technology. Hundreds of small AI-driven drones that can coordinate attacks, overwhelm enemy defenses, and gather intelligence in hostile environments. The impact on US military strength. The establishment of this high-tech factory marks a significant shift in military strategy. With mass-produced combat robots, the US military will gain a substantial technological advantage over its adversaries. These robots can be deployed in war zones without risking human lives, allowing for more aggressive and tactical decision-making. Additionally, AI-powered robotics will enhance the efficiency of logistics, reconnaissance, and cyber warfare operations, further solidifying America's global military dominance. How China reacted to this development. China has been closely monitoring US advancements in military AI, but this new facility caught them off guard. Chinese state media has voiced concerns that this move could destabilize the military balance in the Asia-Pacific region, potentially leading to heightened tensions. Reports suggest that China is now accelerating its own military AI programs in an effort to counter this development. Some experts warn that this could spark a new AI arms race, where both nations rapidly develop and deploy autonomous combat technologies. ethical, and global concerns. While AI-powered military robots offer numerous advantages, they also raise serious ethical and global security concerns. One of the biggest questions is whether AI-controlled robots can make moral decisions in combat situations. If autonomous machines are granted decision-making power on the battlefield, the risk of unintended civilian casualties increases dramatically. Additionally, the possibility of AI warfare spiraling out of control is a growing concern for global leaders. The United Nations and other international bodies may soon push for strict regulations on autonomous military systems to prevent misuse. What this means for the future of warfare. This $100 billion facility is just the beginning. The future of warfare is shifting towards fully autonomous, AI-driven military forces. With the US leading the charge, other nations will likely rush to develop their own robotic battalions, drone swarms, and cyber warfare units. This transformation will redefine military strategy, potentially making traditional human-led armies obsolete. We are on the brink of a new kind of arms race, the AI military race. Economic implications and defense industry boom. Beyond its military impact, this factory is also set to create thousands of high-tech jobs, boosting the US defense industry. The demand for AI, robotics, and automation specialists will surge, leading to major investments in cutting-edge technology and research. Defense contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Northrop Grumman are likely to benefit, as they secure lucrative contracts to supply hardware, AI software, and cybersecurity solutions. This economic ripple effect will reinforce the US as the global leader in military robotics, strengthening its economy and innovation sector. The role of cybersecurity in military robotics. As the US advances its military AI capabilities, cybersecurity becomes a top priority. These AI-powered robots rely on complex networks, machine learning, and real-time data processing, making them potential targets for cyber attacks and hacking attempts. Rival nations or rogue actors could attempt to disable, hijack, or manipulate these autonomous combat units, posing a serious threat to national security. The unveiling of this $100 billion US military robot factory has reshaped the global landscape of warfare. While it provides the US with a powerful technological edge, it also introduces serious ethical dilemmas, global security risks, and an intensified arms race. China is scrambling to respond, and the world is watching closely. Are we ready for a future where AI and robots dominate the battlefield? What are your thoughts on this massive development? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge military technology.